Hi guys, this is Andrew from Trading Mastery and welcome to today's trading tip. I want to talk today about looking past the short-term volatility in markets. I know as traders and investors, we can all be very transfixed on what's the share price doing today, what's the market doing today, and particularly for those people that use leverage, they might be using CFDs, they might be looking very short-term. The natural tendency and human instinct is that we want to see what the share price is doing today. And if it's falling or if it's rising or whatever it might be doing, it can create emotion and that can often lead to us making poor decisions. Here at Trading Mastery, what I do for my clients is consistently provide them with a framework to be able to invest in great quality businesses. But underlying that is sharing with them the principles of maintaining the right temperament as a professional investor. Now, it may sound flippant to say this, but here at Trading Mastery, we really couldn't care less what the share prices of the companies we own do in the next 6 months. In fact, I don't want the prices of the companies that I own to be making all-time highs in the next 6 months, because I want to be accumulating larger positions in the companies that I own, and the companies that our clients own, they want to be building bigger positions in those companies. And they want to be doing that at cheaper prices, because what we're doing here at Trading Master is we're holding positions, we're buying companies that we intend to hold those positions for extended periods of time. In some cases, 2, 3, 5 years. In the case of a business like Apple or Amazon or Microsoft, it might be 10 years, 20 years, maybe a Costco, something like that. But where investors get challenged is by continually looking at the market and wanting to see the price go higher. Come on, go higher, go higher. Whenever you look at the market, of course, it's going to give you a quote of the companies that you own on a daily basis. But the daily price valuation doesn't tell you about how that business is performing. What we do here at Trading Mastery for our clients is to help them understand how to follow a business that they own, how to understand what the management is saying, how to understand how the performance of the business is doing from an earnings perspective. Is the company getting better? Is the company growing its revenue and its earnings? You know, you often hear people talk about revenue. Revenue doesn't matter. What matters is the earnings. The underlying net profit of the business is what is going to see the share price go higher. Now, there are certain times throughout the year, and the example of the chart on the middle of the screen is Apple. There is plenty of times throughout the course of every year where a share price will be 10, 15, 20% lower than it may have been a month or two ago. And there's nothing wrong with the company. Absolutely nothing. The company is internally getting better. The company is growing its competitive advantage, it's growing its revenue, it's growing its earnings. But the share price in the short term is just out of favor with the market. Maybe there's been some sort of geopolitical event. Maybe there's been some sort of comment about interest rates or monetary policy, and there's a few sellers around for a few days. This is the great thing about investing in the share market. When you know how to buy great quality businesses and you know when to buy them, what we end up having is a group of clients here at Trading Mastery where they don't worry themselves about what prices are doing today, tomorrow, next week, or even in 6 months. What they're focused on is, what are the companies I own likely going to be earning in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now? And provided those businesses are getting better, then the probability is the share price over time is going to continue to rise. And that, guys, is the recipe for success. So if you're someone who's looking to make money in the share market, you're not quite sure how to do it on your own, then there's a fantastic video series on our website, 7 Steps to Trading Success. It's a 7-part series. It's free. You can jump across there. It's the right price. You can get a hold of it, register, and also join me in one of my Monday live coaching events where I step you through the framework that we use here at Trading Mastery and give you an example of 3 of the steps that we have here that we use with our clients. And It'll give you a good understanding of how you can actually build meaningful results instead of having to worry about jumping in and jumping out. And is the price up today? Is it down today? What's the concern about my portfolio? Because this year in 2021, my portfolio is up 48%. And I've sat on my ass and done nothing all year other than just to buy some more shares in the companies I own when they've been trading at a discount. If you'd like to learn more about that, guys, as I said, jump across to the website. Have a wonderful weekend. I wish you every success. And until next time, all the best. Bye for now.